A container has 30 liters of water. If 3 liters of water is replaced by 3 liters of spirit and this operation is repeated twice, what will be the quantity of water in the new mixture? So first of all, here we have a container, and in this container we have 30 liters of water. So there is 30 liters of water here. If 3 liters of water is replaced by 3 liters of spirit, now from this we remove 3 liters of water and replace it with 3 liters of spirit. So after doing that, we are left with, when we remove 3 liters of water, we are left with 27 liters of water, and remaining 3 liters is of spirit, right? So here in this mixture, the ratio of spirit and water is 3:27, or I can say that this is 1:9. All right. And this operation is repeated twice. So we removed 3 liters, we replaced 3 liters once. Now again, another 3 liters is replaced. Question is asking us what will be the quantity of water. So we are only asked how much water will be left after replacement. So first of all, what we'll do is find out how much water is removed in this 3 liters. All right. So first of all, in order to find out how much water is there in this 3 liters, what we'll do is we know that in this 3 liters, the water and spirit ratio will be same, 1:9, right? So that means water here is 9 parts out of total 10 parts. So water is 9 parts out of total 10 parts in this 3 liters. So that means I get 27 by 10, or I can say that water is 2.7 liters in this 3 liters. All right. Question is asking us what will be the quantity of water in the new mixture. So remaining water here will be, originally we are left with 27, and from this again 2.7 is removed. So we subtract 2.7. We are left with 24.3 liters in the new mixture. And this is our required answer. Here option C is the correct one.